I'm currently up at the Bunya Mountains in Queensland for the weekend. We are staying in the loveliest little cottage. We have the fire going. It has been such a wholesome weekend so far, and we are about to go for a hike. I'm here hiking with my mom. Hi.
We are doing the scenic lookout at Bunya Mountains 4K trail.
Scenic circuit.
Scenic circuit, that's the one that we're doing.
It's got lots of waterfalls and some lookouts. We might loop it up and turn it into a 10K circuit with more cool things to look at. We'll see how we go.
We will.
But it's quite cold.
Yep.
Mom's very cold.
I'm cold.
I quite like it. It was very cold this morning.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, but it's so beautiful.
It's really beautiful.
Lovely rainforest.
So yeah, we would do these treks when I was a kid.
Look at that tree.
That is a huge tree.
Such a pretty walk. There are some really lovely waterfalls. It's just very peaceful. It's nice. This is so pretty.
Isn't it lovely when the light comes through the trees? Huge nest.
Mum just learnt that the turkeys here bury their young in these mounds, and the decomposition keeps them warm. And then when the eggs hatch, the baby chicks have to dig themselves out of the mound and fend for themselves.
I know.
Mum's quite horrified.
Well, I could have done that to you.
Bunya pine?
Bunya pine. Love it. I know that it's cold because my toes are cold. That was nice.
That was so cool. What was that?
Do you feel I'm going to eat all of this?
I have just got back from my walk with my mum. We didn't end up doing the full circuit. My mum wasn't really wearing the right shoes and it was quite muddy. So we ended up just finishing and going and getting a coffee at the little tavern, which is so cute. It's Australia's highest whiskey bar, which, cool. I didn't talk before about what the Bunya Mountains are or why I'm here. This is probably a really strange place for someone from Sydney to be. Bunya Mountains are a set of mountains about 3 hours inland from Brisbane or about an hour and a half from Toowoomba. They're at 1100 meters above sea level, which means of course that this area gets a lot colder. The surrounding areas of country Queensland do not get anywhere near as cold. I was wearing a jumper yesterday as we drove through one of the towns, and I was just way too hot. And this is the middle of winter. So coming up here, it is a lot colder, but I really love it. I'm here to celebrate my great uncle's 90th. I have a lot of family in this area, which is why we came here, and my mum has quite a strong connection to the Bunya Mountains. She used to come here quite a lot as a kid with my grandparents, which is really sweet. So we're here to celebrate all that. My mum is making lamb koftas for the big family dinner that we're doing tonight, which is really exciting, and I just really wanted to show everyone this really beautiful place, this really peaceful, lovely, calming place where you can just come and relax in Australia. My mom's put all the spices in little bags.